Hi, Roger, Weathering Heights. This is the VELCO Weather Hazards restoration weather update, and we're looking at temperatures here with some of the modeling. This is the high-resolution computer modeling the rapid refresh, and what we're looking at is temperatures that are managing to try to make it in the mid-30s here. Not everybody's seeing that, but this is what happens. Roughly about 5 o'clock tonight, we're looking at temperatures start to come down just a little bit. Notice the 32 at St. Johnsbury. Lower elevations want to stay warm. Higher elevations come down a little bit. And those areas that did not unload today, we'll have another shot at it. Looks like overnight. So we get into, this would be 11 o'clock and this would be midnight. Notice temperatures are actually going up a little bit. So the trends are good. The trends are with us. And the reason that's a good thing is because we do have this coming. And this is some precipitation here. I'll just let it roll. And you're looking here, it's about 5 o'clock, 6, 7, 8, 9 o'clock, starts to make it in. So later on this evening, we're looking at some rain shower activity. This probably will be mixed with a few wet snowflakes, a little bit of sleet. And notice the erosion on the temperatures here. These are the purple colors. And you'll see these purple colors diminish. That means temperatures are warming off the valley floors and into the hills and eventually into the intermediate higher terrain, mostly the Northeast Kingdom, White Mountains, etc. This is about the same time the rain arrives. So a rather warm solution here coming in. But I wouldn't trust all the computer modeling at this point. I think we'll still have pockets where there will be freezing rain with sub-freezing temperatures. And those areas that do not load today will have a shot at during the overnight and especially during the day tomorrow. And here's a quick look at the total snow accumulations here with the European model. I'm looking at roughly between now and Wednesday afternoon. Notice there's not a lot of accumulation. Most of it happens during the evening hours. Spreads along and east of the spine of the Green Mountains. You'll note that areas like the Champlain Valley, Connecticut River Valley, again, this is 12-kilometer resolution, so it's not picking it up and it's filling this area in. So more than likely, we're talking mainly high elevations here for any kind of wet snow. And it's fairly limited, less than really a couple of inches. And during the Wednesday night period into Thursday, we'll start to see that expand as we will pick up some snow. This snow, it will be a relatively dry type of snow, so we're not encountering any wet snow loading issues, I think, even though it will be a little bit more high water content, really sort of medium wet and a little bit harder to drive in. But really through Saturdays, we should have a pretty decent day. In fact, by Friday afternoon, and all indications are we're going to see, we're talking really 2 to 4 inches somewhere along the spine of the greens, maybe a little bit more. This upslope component here, and also down in the southern greens as well. Roger Hill, Wuthering Heights Consulting.